and all your working committee team. Let me join DG.
Use your campaign voice, they say.
Let me thank DG and commend the ingenuity of, by God's special grace, the incoming President of Senate and the Deputy President of Senate, and all our colleagues who thought it wise to come and pay you this visit. For me, it's quite unique, and it shows that our democracy is developing and growing beyond party affiliations. First is to join him to thank you very much, because you have the capacity to say, no, we've not decided, but you've allowed them to freely choose, quite majority of them. And I believe strongly that democracy that is developing to a point that will begin to put the nation first ahead of any other consideration. And that's what this visit signifies. We thank you very much. We have confidence in your support. We have confidence in the leadership of two of them, supported by all of us here and those who are not opportune to be here. And so let the same spirit, the spirit of a united Nigeria, the spirit of resetting this country, let it continue to be in each and every one of us. We desire to have a country where everyone will call his or her own. Thank you, and we plead in the same spirit. Let those who have not yet identified with us, let them do so, because of the leadership qualities we've seen in two of them. But when we ask people who are seeking for leadership position, show us what you did with your past positions, we can see what these two gentlemen, Senator Akpabio, they're very uncommon. Because of the uncommon things he did, I will say that I admire him so much and I followed his footsteps. And I'm happy that I also performed, in Ebonyi State. And Senator Barau, you see his contributions in the Senate. And so we have confidence. And we present two of them to you, sir, and recommend them very highly for the stability of the country and the destiny. Thank you, sir.